Undoubtedly, the Shema is the most important prayer in Judaism, if not one of the most important ones. The Shema is a declaration of faith in one God and an affirmation of the Jewish faith. Reciting the Shema is a commandment, and Jewish people have an obligation to recite it in the morning and at night as a bedtime prayer. As we recite the Shema, the Hebrew text will be presented first, followed by a transliteration of the Hebrew words, a translation in English, and a translation in Spanish. We will read each word, one syllable at a time. Let's begin. Shema Yisrael Adonai Eloheinu Adonai Ehad. Then in a whisper, Baruch Shem Kebod Malchuto Le'olam Va'ed. Thank you for joining us today. Toda Rabba. To continue with the second part of the Shema, please access this link.